Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can turn text into science fiction image in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. If you don't have, you can download it for free from official website, and don't forget to sign in with your account. So here you can click on apps and click all apps and AI powered. So you can scroll down and try to find science fiction gen or sci-fi gen. Bring your sci-fi dreams to life. So sci-fi gen transfer text into captivating sci-fi images, allowing you to visualize your imagination. So you can click use in new design now. Click as your preferences canvas, and here we go. In sci-fi gen, you have to upload you have to write your text or describe your science fiction scene, a spaceship hovering over a deserted planet, for example. Or you can try an example here: futuristic city with flying cars. Let's generate. Please wait, this may take a few seconds. And here we go. This is the result. So a flying car over a modern city right now, as you can see. So you can try to describe your science fiction scene in here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.